We are back today with another Goodwill clothing haul. You know, I can't keep myself out of the Goodwill. I'm always looking for something cute. I stopped in the other day and found some really cute pieces I wanted to show you today. We will, of course, be trying on and styling all of these. My bag here full of goodies. Can't wait to show you what I found. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you have not already. And let's go ahead and get right into it. So on the top here, I bought shoes. I just noticed the inside of these is a little rough. Didn't notice that in the store, but whatever. Okay. The brand Chinese Laundry. I actually bought a pair of shoes from this brand for a wedding that I went to, and I really liked them. They were kind of expensive. I got them at DSW. I saw this and I thought, why not? Because they were in my size and they looked to be in pretty good condition. Just like a nice basic black heel, but it's got this kind of like shiny iridescent texture to it, and I thought these were pretty. They fit really good, and I thought these would just be like a nice thing to have. I don't really have just like a basic pair of black heels in my wardrobe, which is like, what are you doing, Shannon? So I thought for $6.79, why not just go ahead and grab these? And these are actually pretty darn comfortable. I'll have to see if I can get these stickers off. Oh, it's coming off. Come on, baby. Oh, it came off of this part, the fabric part, but not off of here. We'll deal with that later. A little plaid skirt moment. I'm rewatching the Friends series right now, and this kind of just reminded me of like something Rachel would have wore in the early episodes. And it's a really nice skirt, really soft. It's got this little tie right here, nice plaid color. I thought this would be really cute for fall time. And this is a really nice brand, Madden NYC. It feels like really good quality. It fit me really good. It fit perfect when I tried it on. I'm excited to try to style this piece. This isn't a color I normally wear, but I feel like I'm discovering that I look good in warm tones. So we're working on incorporating more warm yellows and oranges into my wardrobe. It's not a color I normally gravitate toward. I paid $5.11 for this skirt. I was just looking through my closet trying to find a shirt to wear in this video. I feel like I don't like any of my summer clothes. So I'm glad I found some of these tops because spring and summer are approaching and I'm gonna need stuff to wear. I really like this style of top. I have a pink one like this and I've worn it a lot. Kind of like ruched fabric. I just really like these, and I don't care if you don't like them, okay? Because I do, and I think they look cute on me. So we have just kind of like a nice neutral tan color. I tried this on in the store and I just thought it looked cute on me, and I could see myself wearing this a lot this summer, just like something cute to throw on that's not like super dressed up but still looks nice. It's a size medium. Looks like it was originally from H&M, which isn't a store I normally shop from. I don't mind buying secondhand, but I like the little ruffle at the bottom. I think it's really girly and cute. And I paid $5.11 for this. $5 for a shirt, not a huge commitment. I like it. We have another top for spring and summer. It's kind of like a casual little top tee. I like this green color. I've been thinking about how green is one of my favorite colors and I don't have enough green clothes. I was looking for something on St. Patrick's and I was like, where are all my green clothes? It's like my favorite color. Probably green and pink are my favorite colors right now. I had this on, it looked cute. Good length. I think it'll go with like my high-waisted shorts. Like a cute little tee with some snaps here. Nothing groundbreaking, but I feel like a good basic shirt you can wear all the time. Priceless. Yeah, originally from American Eagle, which like I know I'm probably too old to shop at American Eagle, but whatever. I will always be a child at heart, and it's a size medium and I like it. I paid $5.11 for this. So once again, $5 for a cute little shirt. Can't really go wrong. I can smell that whoever owned this used a heavily scented laundry detergent, which is not always my favorite thing, but hopefully it'll come out with time. This top, I tried this on twice because I liked it. It was like a little tight through the middle, but I think we're gonna make it work. Little pink t-shirt moment with this little tie right here, which whenever I try this on, you'll see there's this cute little tie around the neck here that you can do in different ways. And I found this shirt to be really flattering. I like the little neckline cutout that it creates right here when you put it on. Really cute, bright pink, girly color, fit really nice. I think this will be a cute top for spring and summer. Really stretchy, a good quality fabric. I liked it. I thought it looked cute when I tried it on. It made me feel girly and a little sexy even. A size small, so I think that's why it was a little tight on me, but I think it'll work. The brand is called Pop Kiss, which I've never heard of in my life. Not sure where this came from, not sure how old this is. I can't really place it, but I like it. And this one was also $5.11. This next piece, I'm excited about it. It's functional. It's something I can wear and use. And that is this nice little rain jacket windbreaker thing. Let me show you the inside first. It's got like this kind of mesh inside. I'm gonna zip this so you can actually see what it looks like. Got this little jacket, and I really like this color right now. It's kind of this like pinky lavender, and I really like this about it. It has these little side vent buttons. You can open those up. I hope this is waterproof. It is a Champion jacket. I feel like Champion's cool now, right? And this was just really flattering. It fit me perfect. I kind of got this actually to wear for when me and James go golfing. I thought this would be cute, like if it's raining. If you didn't know, I am an avid golfer, always working to get better, and I gotta have cute outfits for when I'm out golfing. I thought this would also just be nice to kind of throw on this spring, like for a rain jacket, just casual every day. It is a size small, and it was $9.11, so $10 for a nice Champion rain jacket windbreaker thing. I'm here for it. Got these little like ties you can cinch in that make it really flattering. It's got little zipper pockets on the side. This is a nice jacket, and I bet this was actually pretty expensive. I really wanted to wear this 2 days ago, but I haven't washed any of this stuff yet, and I was waiting to film this haul, so I feel like that's a good sign that I already wanted to wear it. Hopefully I can get this stuff washed and incorporate it into my wardrobe soon, but really excited about this actually. This is like the adult in me. A functional garment, who knew? I got these Adidas pants. Nice athletic pants, and I got these for golf as well because I thought they'd be nice to just wear in like a casual golf outing if it's like a little cold and rainy. And these are really nice pants. They fit me really good. I brought out my sporty athletic side, which we don't get to see very often, but I do have one. I just feel almost brand new. I don't really wear a lot of like Adidas or like Nike clothes, so this is kind of new for me. But they have like nice little zipper pocket, a zipper on the leg so you can make it wider or more open, and I just thought these would be nice, you know, if I want to work out, exercise, or do something outside. Adidas, and these were only $6.11, so not a huge financial investment, but they looked good. They looked sleek and cool, and they look kind of good with the pink jacket too. So pretty happy with these. Pretty happy with all of my finds. Sometimes like when I get off work early, some days I get off at 4 o'clock, I drive by this Goodwill on my way home, and this is just like my lucky Goodwill where I always go, and I usually always find something cute there. And that's also the Goodwill where I usually donate my stuff to, so I feel like I'm racking up good karma at this Goodwill. I usually always find clothes I like when I go in there, which is really nice. Sometimes I think about like I want to film more like when I'm actually in the store for you guys. I usually don't, because walking around Goodwill and looking at clothes is just kind of like my relaxing downtime and therapy where I just kind of like unwind after work. I don't know if any of you really like thrifting and understand what I'm saying, where it's just like calming to me for some reason to go thrifting. You know, if you find some cute clothes along the way, that's just an added bonus. That is everything that I got for this Goodwill haul. I have an entire playlist of thrift hauls if you want to check that that out, I can link it below. If you made it this far, congratulations. You have made it to 2023 without the attention span of a goldfish. And I will see you all next week. Until then, please remember that you are special, beautiful, and magical, and I love you so much. Bye.